I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the 120 FPS gaming comparison between the Mi 10i versus the POCO X3 device. So I'll be using the 120 Hz supported game right now. So the game which I'll be demonstrating is a AS4. As you can see, this is a game which I'll be using, and I'll be using the real-time FPS meter in both smartphones. The Mi 10i has the Snapdragon 750G processor, and whereas the POCO X3 has the Snapdragon 732G. So in terms of the benchmark and everything comparison, 750G is quite powerful than the M32G mobile phone. But a lot of viewers, they asked me to compare side by side by playing any of the games. So in this video, I'll decide to use the 120 Hz game, so which will consume a lot of CPU and the GPU utilization as well. So we'll get to know, friends, which phone will actually show it higher, play at a higher frame rate. So we'll get to know in this test. And let me try to quickly open this game. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and follow my channel, friends. And also do check the links in description for the playlist of this Mi 10i device. So you can find the playlist links in the description below. That will be very helpful for you in case if you are planning to buy the smartphone. So as you can see, friends, right now I did open the game in both the smartphones, and the top one is the POCO X3 device, as you can see here clearly, and the bottom one is the Mi 10i smartphone. So there should not be any kind of confusion between both the phones. So you will be confused because of the same punch hole position in both the phones. So let me start playing the game, and you can just observe the real-time FPS meter, friends. So that is what this complete video is about, just focusing on the real-time FPS, what phone you're getting in what type of FPS. As you can see, the real-time FPS. So let me play again. Let me try to start the match in this phone, in the POCO X3 phone. So as you can see, friends, right now you can focus on exact count of the FPS count meter. So it's very hard to play in both the smartphones at the moment. So but you just try to focus on the real-time FPS count meter, friends. So this is what my whole idea is about. So let me try to decrease the volume in both the phones. So I'm trying to keep my hands on in both the phones, so you know exactly I'm playing the game. So try to focus on the FPS count. So what I'm getting, so 101 FPS on this Mi 10i smartphone, and whereas in the POCO X3 I'm getting only 65 FPS, but I did enable the 120 Hz display refresh rate. So 65 FPS is only I'm getting in this POCO X3 device. I'm not getting anything more than that, and the 85 FPS. So if you don't touch the screen, once you touch the screen, the FPS count is decreasing in this POCO X3 smartphone. As you can see clearly, it decreased to 64. And if you just keep the game ideal, and if you use the gyroscope sensor and everything, so if you play like this, maybe you might be able to get the more FPS count out of it. So let me try to play the same thing in the Mi 10i smartphone, so you might be able to see it. So I'll just try to leave it, and I'll try to go upside. So just focus on the FPS count, how much I'm getting here. So 103 FPS and 85 FPS on this POCO X3. As you can see, friends. So overall, the Snapdragon 750G processor is quite powerful, and it was able to demonstrate in this kind of game by playing this 120 Hz game. I'll try to do same kind of gaming test in other smartphones as well. So we'll get to know which phone is best. But right now the Snapdragon 750G is quite powerful, and it's good, friends. It's clearly I can see the difference as well while playing this game. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So that's it for this video, friends. This is a quick demonstration comparing between both the phones in terms of the 120 Hz refresh rate. And overall the winner is the Mi 10i device with having the maximum of, I think, 115 or 113 FPS I did see in this phone. But overall it's maintaining close to 100 FPS throughout the time. And POCO X3 is maintaining around 70 FPS throughout the time. So this is a quick comparison, friends. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.